In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on RCG Markets. Now, of course, you could go ahead and trade inside MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, so you can download the platforms over here where it says Trading Platforms and then Platforms, and you can get yourself either MT4 or MT5. However, if you just want to trade on the live web trader over here, which doesn't require any downloads, you could also go to My Account over here, and then it's going to say Access Live Web Trader. You can click on that, and it's going to automatically log you into your account, and then you'll be able to, as you can see here, start trading right away. Now, if you prefer MT5 or MT4 on your desktop, I have separate tutorials on how to actually connect to that as well on my channel, so go watch those in case you're interested. But here, if you just want to use this web trader, you could just go ahead and whenever your account is connected, you could either trade on the chart over here, you could go buy, sell, you could select the amount you want to do, or you could go up here where it says new order, click on it, and there we go. This is now the order creation window. You can go ahead and first select whatever you want to trade. So here, we're just going to do Euro USD for an example. The volume, we're going to do 0.05. And then the stop loss, we're not going to do it. Take profit as well. And of course, you could set these if you want to. You could also add a comment to your order. And then you can either select if you want a pending order, which is like a limit order, or a market execution, so a market order, which will buy at the current price. Of course, you can then go ahead and click on buy or sell over here. And just like this, your order has been fulfilled and you've successfully started trading on RCG Markets. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.